up gang, finally back with another video. I do apologize for this long leave, but finally today I'm going to be reviewing my most recent change, which is the new master cylinder with the adjustable levers and the new hydraulic clutch. They both are using the same fluid, which is .4 on this as well as on the clutch, and they're adjustable. And the brakes are adjustable as well, has 6 degrees of adjustability. Also guys, please don't forget to hit the follow button on Instagram. I'm gonna be uploading some hella lit photos there, so you don't want to be missing that.
Brother, was caught in the crossfire. Was caught in the crossfire.